unang pumasok, unang pagpukol. Magandang putusan. May choice naman also from the team of Judges Kitchener. May jersey number 17, pupukol ang ito. And outside jumper, 2 points. Jersey number 22, what a good for 2 points. Unang papasok ang unang putusan agad from the yellow shirts. Yung medyo si Gilip, pupukol ang outside dispass. Patating. On the go, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Jersey number 98, Potsalan, 2 points.
Sino? Pasoy. Hindi, Pasoy.
Long 2 points, no good.
Mama, di ba?
Hey, jersey number 19, Limites.
Lagrada.
And outside jumper, boom, side, 3. Inagrata, may kargadang taktuan sa kanyang karakada. But jersey number 67. Inagrata po natin, squad po natin, tablahan pa sa 5. But jersey number 9, Apek, to the right wings, goes to jersey number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Potsalan, 2 points. In the score of 5 up against 7. Jersey number 11, 2 points. I-score po natin, tablahan po sa 7. There was the reason that the city official referee all against jersey number 67. All for a hacking foul and 2 shot, first personal foul and first team foul.
Sini. Lagrada.
Lagrada, jersey number 67, first team foul.
Wala. Laro daw.
Lost and foul shot predicted 1 foul. And jersey number 13, 2 points.
Hindi nyo na nilapin niya. Ay, kay Erickson? Oo. 15 ba yun?
12 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 9. 4 seconds to shoot. 1 second. Good. And shooting 2 points.
Good.
Good.
Sakto lang pagkakan, panagaw eh.
Score po natin 8-11. Patuloy po yung kalabangan from the yellow shirts. Dito po sa grupong ito. But the pick, number 16, number 9. Hala, there's still nagrata. Ibalik po, wala kalaban. But jersey number 15. Ipapakahapol sa putusan.
Hindi pa kayo.
And shooting 2 points. It up against 11. And Potsalan, no good. Alunan sa rebound. At jersey number 7, patuloy sa pagtakbo. And then Insanos on the shot clock. On the goal, Potsalan, makikinis. Jersey number 8. And 2 points. Talaga po yung may kalakihan sa kanilang grupo. But jersey number 15, ang service pass. And Potsalan, BOOM! Lagrada, 2 points. And 2 minutes and 50 seconds. And shooting 2 points. I-score po natin 13-14. Isang kalamangan po from the team of theirs. Baji's Kitchen. Yung 67, Lagrada, po lang tatlo. Masyadong malakas. 8 minutos. Ito na ang minuto po sa ating first quarter of the game. Update po siya rin. No good. 15 seconds for the shot clock. Choice number 15. Bang! 2 points. Medyo makakawala ng putusan. What a good for 2 points. Yung jersey number 88, Apik. Number 9, 2 points. I-spot po natin mga set 15-16. Isang kalamangan po from the team of yours, Magis Kitchen.
Mayroon. Kaya may cheese kitchen naman.
1 minute and 10 seconds to go. And 1 minute. And ball out of bounds. We have only 56 seconds. 56 seconds. 56 seconds na naman po sa the first quarter. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Jersey number 9, Fortunate no good. Lagrada, 2 points. 17-18, 35 seconds. Jersey number 18, every call on jersey number 17, called for a leg in front of the arm, called for a hockey foul, first personal foul, and 17 foul. 29 seconds, 29 seconds. Outside jumper, no good. We have only 20 seconds. Lagrada, bibigay si Milip. Magandang tapon yung tramahan. Jersey number 17, 2 points. 15 seconds remaining. No more shot clock. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the buzzer for end of the first quarter. Score 18-19, 1.8 from the yellow shirts, Spiral.
Bilis ah. Bilis. Wala silang pang. Tsaka
Tama kayo isa.
Basta naman? Nangunan kasi.
Si Sir Bench na lang.
Dala-dala ko to. Saan yung ba kasama mo?
And now, ladies and gentlemen, basketball game 7 quarter of the game ng ating kwento. Jersey number 9. Ibibigay si Gilip at pakitang subukan. Hindi na natin makita. Harap na ng poste.
Ako mag-adjust yun. Di ba may urong natin?
And outside jumper, no good. Jersey number 6, Fortunate. Bang! 2 points. I-score po natin mga sir, 19 up against 20. 1-14 kalamangan po dito sa team ng Magis Kitchen. Isang kalamangan po mula po sa Magis Kitchen. And outside jumper, po ulit tatlo. Mamili sa tiglaan, 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Fortunate 2 points. Baliktaran naman po yung putusan natin, sir. 20-21, isang kalamangan from the team of yours is Spiral. 1.8 po sa team from the yellow shirt. Isang kalamangan po yung pinagpapatuloy.
Ako,
And shooting 2 points.
number 19.
Number 19. Jersey number 19, what a good for 2 points. Magandang kwento sa ating istorya na hindi nagbabago. Score po natin 21, 22.
10 seconds shot lang.
10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot.
6.
5 seconds on the shot clock. 3, 2, 1. Good. 2 points. What a good for 2 points. Magandang papasok po para sa ito defense offense mula po sa kanyang shot clock. 5 minutes and 60 seconds remaining. Jersey number 67. At magandang pasan. At to the fake. Nickness. Naglatag to the rebound. There was a reason for the hitting official referee. All of the bounds.
Set up. Uy, saka ba yung titol mo? Ambul. Ambul ba?
I-score po natin mga sir, 52, 53. Jersey number 67, Lagdada. Ang kanina pang may dala-dala pa rin, na kanina pa yung tumatatad.
10 seconds.
Ang tutusan, 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 shot clock, not 8, Lagdada, Pocheren, Nickness, talunan sa rebound, Sandoval to the fake, and ball out to bounce. Talagang pinagsak lamang po ng Sandoval. Kinamistan na putat na walang kakupas-kupas.
Mamaya, naramot na laro. Second game.
And 4 minutes and 25 seconds. I-score po natin 22-23. Yung madadagdagan nila pa, Mabilis. Oh, for troubling violation.
Sa DP yan kasi dapat sa
Wala.
Good.
Wala.
nag-time out sa kanila eh. Bakbakan sila eh.
Kaya mabilis lang, walang
Walang time out.
budgeting ball.
Siyempre, shoutout po sa 1 million viewers natin. Troubling violation na naman.
Time out.
And timeout call for team Magis Kitchen. Pinapatimeout po mula po sa Magis Kitchen. Siyempre sa timeout na yan, kaya pasalamatan po natin ang ating mga sponsor, Ansel Sportswear, and Justin Case Icon, and Oxford Subdivision from the Municipality of Rojas. This is Shell Shop, honored by Sir Vinci Pitita. GCX Mobile Shop, honored by Sir Camille Amama and family. Kaya score po natin mga sir, 22, 1.8 from the yellow shirt.
Ano pala sila? Tumating na sila?
Sino?
Nara?
Saan?
Kailangan sa kanila. Kuya ko.
And back to the ball game, 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Jersey number 41, Mapapalibe. Bounce pass. Jersey number 36, foul. 2 points. 83-54, 1.8 point kalamahan from Magis Kitchen. Tatlo laban sa isa. Jersey number 9 to the ring wall. Tatlong minuto at 18 segundos po mga sir. There was the whistle. The officiating division referee. Ball against Jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 called for pushing ball. First personal foul and first team foul.
First team foul, sir.
Dito ka magtulog?
And 3 minutes. Tatlong minuto po mga sir sa ating second quarter of the game. 23-24. Outside chopper. Langgata.
23-24.
10 seconds. And Pocheren, Shea, 2 points.
23-25, 24-25. Tama ba, sir?
Score po natin 25-24. 1 point lead from the yellow shirts.
Tama, sir? Oo. Wait, wait.
And Salas on the shot clock. It's a normal outside jumper. No good. And a steal, but jersey number 17 on the go. And shooting 2 points. 24-27. 2 minutes and 14. We have only 2 minutes. Ilang minuto po mga sir ha? 27-24 a fake on the go. Number 26 straight away shot. Pupul na dalawa. Number 26 2 points. We have only 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining for second part of the game. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Nagrana, fake on the go. Position right wings. At ugot sa double bounce pass. Isa laban sa dalawa. Number 19 to jersey number 9. Nakikinaan mga sir. He's shooting 2 points, 27-28. 1 point lead from
Magic.
Badges.
Kitchen.
Jersey number 22. Nicholas. 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 10 seconds. In number 19, after sa quarter, from the free throw lane, 2 points, 1 minute. Isang minuto po mga sir, sa second quarter po natin. And all out of bounds. We have only 52 seconds, 52 seconds.
Bounce na.
And all out of bounds.
Malalakas naman team dito. Ito lang yung mali mahina.
50 seconds. Jersey number 11, 2 points. 40 seconds, 29-30. 40 segundos po mga sir. At number 19, Apik. Ibibigay doon sa sulok. Pupuan na tatlo. And outside jumper. No good from the 3-point lane. 88 seconds. And Lagrana, 2 points. 30-31, 20 seconds. Wala na po tayong shot na. Eh, masyado mataas po. Huwag lang po masyado mataas pagkat mababa lang po ang ating 18 seconds po ha. 18 seconds remaining.
Hindi naman yung...
Arush.
Bayad din
Yan na naman tayo.
Doon sa baybay. Doon man yung unang liga namin. Ano naman? 1,500? 1,500.
18 seconds, 18 seconds. 14 seconds to shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. We have only 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Outside jumper. Bullseye. 3, 2, 1. And that's the buzzer. And in the second quarter, outside jumper, 3 points. Score po natin 30-34.
May ganito ba? Ito yung mura, sir. Pwede ikaw muna mag-alap. Sundo mo na kasi. Paksa mo na kasi. Ha? Paksa mo na ako. Ay, ito na lang. Ha?
Nang.
Paksa mo na ako. Nantay mo na ako. Share it, share it. Lang,
Ano ba?
management tayo na.
Management tayo ba ito?
Saglit.
Share it. 7 minutes na po.
Ito na lang. Ito, puwi na kayo.
Meron ka dyan?
Sit up na lang. Saglit tayo, oras pa. Kailan? Tara.
Ilan score dyan?
Ano mag-score? Ikaw sir, mag-score. 34-30.
Ilan kayo dumating? Ha? Eh, di ka pala kayo maglalaro. Sila? Sila, hindi sila maglalaro? Oo. Eh, sila. Ha? Sunod? Saan?
Kailan mo ikaw score?
Sunod muna kami. Sitap pa ng oras. Sitap pa ng oras. Nagasitap pa oras.
And back to the ball game.
Ito na rin si
And back to the ball game. Third quarter. Ayun po, sa third quarter na po tayo ng ating kwento. And the ball is set on. Let's go. Let's play some basketball. And so on the shot clock. It's shot clock, top 8. Pocheren, no good. There was the reason. Call for all jersey number 6. Call for illegal contact with arm. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Vargas, first.
Vargas, first personal foul and second team foul. First team foul. And shooting 2 points. Outside chopper, no good. At bukas na natin makuha pa rin po yung opensa. At uli sa ating kwento, 30-36. Elite pa rin po from the yellow shirts. De La Peña, lupit po sa money. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 2, huli! In 13 seconds on the shot clock, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Outside chopper, pupo ko na tatlo. Namimit is for this time, huli again. We have only 5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining for third quarter. Even ball from the outside to the steal. Jersey number 89, Paul! 2 points. Asoy. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Jersey number 17, 2 points. 32-38. 38. Ianin na kalamangan po mula po sa team. 32-38 outside jumper, mamimites. Isa kanin, but there was the whistle by officiating official referee. 4 minutes and 52 seconds counted. Basket foul against jersey number 11. Called for legal contact in arm and 1 shot.
11. Two points.
Lost in the final shot, predicted. 1 point.
Pero 11 no? Foul. Ilang points ba? 35.
Outside jumper, no good.
Let's go. 35-36.
4 minutes and 33 seconds. Out of the minute of 3 seconds po.
25 yung budget. Tapos,
I-score po natin 35-38. Ibibigay sa gilid. Tupukan ulit ako. No good for this time. 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Outside jumper. Lagda! 3!
41 na.
What a good for 3 points kay Lagda. I-shooting 3 points Lagda. Fake sa gilid. Pupukan talaga. Shooting 2 points.
Sino?
balance. 4 na minuto. Sila Peña, number 17.
37-41.
15 seconds on the shot clock. 37-41 now. Ang score natin. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17, De La Peña. Good boys.
43. 37.
37-43. Isa Tobal, bigay si Kilit, number 96. Number 45, there was the whistle. Paulo Jersey, number 2, call for pushing foul.
Repar.
Ripon,
First.
first personal foul and
Second.
second team foul. 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining, third quarter.
37-43.
Outside chopper 3. I-score po natin 40-43. Bumako sa tatlong kalamangan. It's a double number 16. Bounce pass. De La Peña. Bullseye. 3 points. Time out. Patay po oras.
Ano ito dito?
Patay po oras. Time out po sila. Majesty Kitchen.
Sa ganun po, na-release na po yung mula. Dapat sana wala nga tayong timeout kasi na-receive na po yung mula po sa yung timeout. Kasi pagka magkakalikitan tayo, pagka-crucial din, magka-crucial tayo.
Sabi natin sa akin yan. Pero hindi kasi makita.
Ilang quarter na ito? Third. Ah, wala pang court?
Wala mo. Alas ano tayo.
Sa ilang minutes?
Sino yung nakashoot na 3 points? Si Lagrada. Lagrada dahil na ito.
Third quarter pa lang tayo, ha? Basketball game, 2 minutes and 58 seconds.
Dalawa. Time out. Anong court na yun? Dito! Dito mula! Dito sa kabila!
Kitchen, Majesty Kitchen, ball position. Nag-time out po sila sa pag-shoot nyo.
Nag-time out sila.
Patay naman po yung oras, wala naman po.
Dito!
Kaya sa pero
Dito!
Listing. Kung kanina pa dapat inbound pa lang, tatawag ka agad time out, okay lang yun. Kasi napasa na. Ay na-stay, tapos sila nag-time out. Violation yan.
Ang tamang gusto kasi, late kasi ang timeout. Hindi mo mula ng ilaw, may skin na sa yung timeout.
ball position, Majesty Kitchen.
Hindi, dito.
Bigyan natin sa dilaw kasi po nga, pag timeout nyo, ang bulan na still na po. So late ang ano nyo yung yung receive ng
Kasi hindi na-
timeout po. Kasi na-receive na po ng ano,
Sir,
Amber po sa
advance
kabila.
tayo always
Ah,
pag-time out sila. Kung may katay, hindi ko napapasa.
Dito!
Advance po tayo, sir. Information.
Saan ang first one tayo tayo, sir?
Same ball, sa white, dilaw.
I-score po natin 40-46. And shooting 2 points. 48-40. Lagrada Pink, ibigay sa gilid, pupo na dalawa, bullseye! Jersey number 11 shooting 2 points. 2 minutes and 25 seconds.
50-40.
And a foul, shooting two, counted, basket, make the son of a foul.
Second personal foul, third team foul.
There was a foul counted, basketball on jersey number 11, called for a hit to the head and watch that.
42.
2 minutes and 17 seconds, third quarter. Sandoval has a corner shot, shooting one point. 43-50. And 2 minutes and 3 seconds, 8 seconds on the shot clock. And pow! 2 points! 43-52. Isang minuto at 48 segundos po mga sir. At jersey number 19, Foxeren, 2 points! Maganda trabahan dun sa gilid. 1 minute and 40 seconds for third quarter of the game. That's how it's shot up. It's on the basket. Micah Sullivan. Foul on jersey number 14, called for a pushing foul and one shot. Jersey number 14.
14?
Johnson foul shot, no good. 1 minute and 23 seconds, third quarter of the game.
Wala. Tira.
In jersey number 9.
Sino foul? 13.
Out there, 2 points. Foul on jersey number 13. All for pushing foul and one shot.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul and
Warning for penalty.
warning for attending for penalty for the team of yellow shirts. He's final. 1 minute and 14 seconds. First shot. Make pa ng isa natin yan. He's shooting 1 point.
48-54.
One minute. Shooting 2 points. 50-54 po. Kapag sa apat. And seconds on the shot clock. Outside jumper, no good. 38 seconds remaining. 18 seconds on the shot clock. At pupuon sa gilid, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Thomas to Wiesel. All on jersey number 22 caught for holding foul at 2 shots.
Penalty.
Penalty situation.
22. Second personal foul.
Score po natin 50-54. Shooting 1 point. 28 seconds na lamang po sa ating third quarter. And shooting 2 points. $25 seconds. He's shooting 2 points. We have only 15 seconds. He's shooting 2 points. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 points. And that's the buzzer end of the third quarter. 58-54. Apat po kalamangan from the team of girls from the yellow shirts. Is final.
Seven minutes.
Ngayon, 8 minutes na.
Last quarter. Okay. Gawin mo 5. Gawin mo 5 minutes. Joke lang. Tagal.
And back to the ball game. And outside chopper, no good. And shooting 2 points. 56-58. And 7 solid shotgun. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 13, Potsdam, no good. Italunan sa rebound, wala na naman. Courtesy number 36, number 49. Maganda din pa sana po. At kumaharap kami, bigay sa Sandoval. And Sandoval apik, outside jumper! No good for 3 points made. Nagrata to the rebound. In last 7 minutes for remaining for last and final quarter. A jersey number 19, bounce pass. And jersey number 98, 2 points on midday. Itablahan pa sa 58. We have only 6 minutes and 39 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Nagrada outside jumper, no good. And outside jumper, 3 points. What a good defense from the outside jumper. Lagyan po 6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Hard last in the final quarter po natin mga sir. At pupo ko na dalawa. Ito na lang, please. Bullseye! Talagang wala na walang problema. And about 4 for teams final. In the score, 60-61. 1 point lead na lamang po for the team of Spiral. Isang kalamangan na lamang po ito nagpapatuloy mula po sa grupo ito from the team of Spiral. We have only 5 minutes and 59 seconds remaining for loss in the final quarter.
Tig-dalawang timeout na sila. Ay, 5:59. Tig-dalawang timeout pa kayo ah.
And back to the ball game.
Dalawa. Dalawa rin dito.
Seconds remaining. 15 seconds. Bigay si Minute. There was the whistle. All on jersey number 98 called for a pushing foul. Jersey number 98.
First foul.
First personal foul and first team foul. In 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Outside jumper! Boom! Bullseye! 3 points! All on jersey number 67 called for a hockey foul. I-score po natin sa 64. Ibaro from the outside to jersey number 18, Apik from the 3-point line. 3 points! Isang alamangan na lamang po, 63-64. From the Spiral team, from the Yellow Shirt team. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. From the 2-point lane, outside jumper, no good. Lost 5 minutes. 5 minuto na lamang po mga sir. Jersey number 9. Makakalabang na! Marcus Kitchen, 1 point lead. Isang kalamangan po from Marcus Kitchen. Ang patuloy na kalamangan ay 4 minutes and 4 minutes and 45 seconds. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds on the shot clock. And bang! 2 points! Hindi pa tapos yung kwento. Patuloy pa rin po yung score from the team of Spiral. And with the score of 65 up against 66. Magpupukulan na ito. And outside jumper! 3 points! He scores 66-68. Last 4 minutes and 15. 10 seconds on the shot clock. There was a whistle called for charging foul, offensive foul. Jersey number. Follow jersey number 11, called for a charging foul. And timeout 114, Marcus Kitchen. Ayaw po naman, 6-8.
Ilang timeout pa dito sa
Siya na lang.
Ilang paulo, Adolfo?
Tatlo na.
Sila po lamang nag-change na po ng 3 points. Kanina na,
Dito, software.
68.
66.
68, 66.
Ayan.
Kami lamang dalawa.
Hindi, sila
na po. Nag-lead na sila 3 points.
Yun dito, yung huli
Lamang sila kayo nag-isa. Kanina, nag-3 points po.
Baliktad siguro yung score mo.
Apat lang naman.
Baliktad.
Hindi sir, tatlo
Naka
po.
3 points siya. Tapos nakashoot pa ng isa.
Sir, may score sheet po tayo. May score sheet po. May score sheet.
Sakto.
Baliktad lang ito.
Baliktad.
And back to the ball game.
Baliktad lang, i-score.
We have only 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Ipinapagin mo natin, Mablin, kasi ating katapos po, ay from the municipality of Tara. Thank you so much. Shout out po.
Isang time out na Kalis.
Sa team of Marcus Kitchen, isang time out na lamang po yung pinagpupukol. We have only last 4 minutes. Isang ay 4 na minuto na lamang po. 14 seconds on the shot clock, outside jumper, no good. And put up, down! He's shooting good, shooting well. Good for 2 points.
70. Magis Kitchen ka lang.
In 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Outside jumper, no good.
Nag-shoot yun? Counted yun, sir.
Counted pa lang. Lagrada.
Ilan score po dyan?
69.
Outside jumper, 69-70. We no good for this time. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, Pocheren, 2 points. Ipatuloy po sa tatlong kalamangan. 72-69. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. And Pocheren, no good. Talungan sa rebound. And 2 points. There was a whistle that proceeding is a referee foul against jersey number 36. Called for a hacking foul. And jersey number 36 substitution. Malobo out, jersey number 41, Yabuki. Jersey number 11 shooting 1 point. 70-74.
Tama score po dyan.
70.
Russell follow shot, 2 points. 71-74. Seconds on the shot clock. Another steal, talunan, number 19, Apik, and Sandoval, 2 points. He's shooting 2 points, Sandoval, 71-76. Last 2 minutes. Ulit 2 minuto na lamang po. Magpupunga na dalawa, shooting 2 points.
Sino siya ko? 11?
1 minute and 50 seconds. Isang minuto at 50, 73-76. Tatlong kalamangan po from the team of Marcus Kitchen. In 1 minute and 40, 1 minute and 40, 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 14. Makakadakot na depensa. There was the reason that the city push referee foul against JC number 13. Call for pushing foul. Substitution.
Second pa lang, second.
70 fouls. Substitution. What's up?
Sino sab?
I need to sir. 1 minute and 33 seconds. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Here from the outside, jersey number 9, Pocherin. No good football. Iwala na naman. Talunan sa naman. 12 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 98. There was the whistle. All on jersey number 17, caught by legal contact with arm and 2 shot, 13 foul. Numbers 98, good, may 2 shot po na maglilipit po sa ating Lona. Sa pumapagpalang gabi kay Sir Alimat Amama for Amama Soul Shot. Shooting 1 point, jersey number 98, 77-73. Lawson final shot, 78-73. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Into the steal. 1 minute and 12 seconds. 1 minute and 10. Villavenia number 10. 17, Apik. Bibigay sa gilid. Number 11, 2 points. 1 minute. Isang minuto na lamang po. 58 seconds. There was a whistle. Foul against jersey number 17.
13.
Call for
3 fouls.
a hit to the head.
3 fouls, 4.
Third personal foul and 1 incomplete for penalty. 58 seconds. First shot shooting 1 point. 75-79. 58 seconds. Great ready na po sa susunod na maglalaro. He's shooting 2 points. 58 seconds. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. And we have only 40 seconds. Number 19, 2 points. 39 seconds. 35 seconds. A big two was the whistle. Medyo makakasabit po na depensa. All against jersey number 98. Call for blocking foul. Good call for pushing foul. And 2 shots. 33 seconds. Score po natin 75-82. First shot shooting 1 point. In 33 seconds na lamang po mga sarap. 36 seconds. 33. He's shooting 2 points. 33 seconds. Even ball from the outside. 30 seconds. All against jersey number 11. And penalty situation.
Penalty. Sino yung foul? 11. Warning for graduation.
Warning for graduate.
Penalty.
Penalty situation. 30 seconds. In 30 seconds po mga sir. He's shooting 1 point, jersey number 9. 77-83. Lost in the final shot, 2 points. 29 seconds, 29 seconds. 29 seconds po mga sir. 25 seconds. And Pocherin, no good. A ball out of bounds. We have only 21 seconds. 16 seconds on the shot clock. 21 seconds and the score 77-84. In the ball, front outside jumper, no good. 17 seconds, no more shot clock. Score po natin 77-84. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the final buzzer
Matches
score
Kitchen.
77-84. Congratulations.